Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a Mailchimp newsletter to WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and install a Mailchimp integration plugin. After installation, activate the plugin to unlock its full functionality and settings. This initial step is crucial for bridging your website with your email marketing platform, setting the foundation for subscriber growth and engagement. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete. Next, you'll need to connect your Mailchimp account. Log into Mailchimp and find your unique API key, typically located under your profile or account settings. Copy this long string of characters. Then, return to your WordPress plugin settings and paste the API key into the designated field. This action securely links your website to your Mailchimp audience, allowing for direct data transfer and management. Now it's time to create your newsletter sign-up forms. Utilize the plugin's intuitive interface to design forms that match your website's aesthetic. You can select essential fields, such as name and email address, to gather subscriber information effectively. Once designed, easily display these forms across your site using shortcodes, widgets, or the block editor, ensuring maximum visibility for potential subscribers. Finally, managing your new subscribers is effortless. Any new signups through your WordPress forms are automatically added to your selected Mailchimp audience. You can then set up powerful automations, like sending a warm welcome email immediately after someone subscribes. Continuously monitor your subscriber growth and engagement metrics directly within your Mailchimp dashboard to optimize your email marketing strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.